Hello, friends. We got ourselves fresh to the floor. 2026 Street Glide. This is dark billiard gray with black finish. We'll start in the front, work our way to the back as we always do. This will have the new Omega headlight, so the light actually comes up through here and then it whoop, goes up into the turn signals, and those are also running lights at the same time. This will have a 117 cubic inch motor, 6-speed transmission. We have ABS, security, cruise control, traction control, cornering ABS, cornering traction control. It's pretty much got everything. Got a big old 12.3-inch screen running the Skyline operating system. Don't worry about the bubbles on the screen. It's actually a protector that goes over the top of it. And then we got a big old tray here. Put your phone. You got a USB port in here too. This does have the ride modes. So you'll have a rain mode, road mode, sport mode. Then you have a custom mode that you can create as well. On the back side, we got LEDs back here as well. And they're all, they're like kind of flush mount with the bags and the fender. It looks kind of like the CVO style. Come on down and check it out. Vandervest Harley-Davidson. We're at 1966 Velp Avenue in Green Bay, Wisconsin. If you have any questions about the bike or would like to schedule an appointment to come and see it, give us a call at 920-498-8822.